I'm Ian Slater, the founder of Trove Partners here in New York City. Today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite listings that we have right now, 66 Bethune Street, which is a 26.5-foot wide, nearly 6,000 square foot mansion in the West Village. This is one of New York's most expensive neighborhoods, and Bethune Street is its most cherished block. And this is the perfect home for this perfect block. You enter on the parlor floor into this grand entry gallery. On this floor, there's a living room, dining room, and a bar. The former living room takes full advantage of the 26.5-foot wide width of this house. It has a wood-burning fireplace, multiple areas for seating, and an access to the back garden off of a back deck. It also has beautiful built-ins on each wall and herringbone oak flooring. But what I love most about this room is the amazing amount of light that it gets from these floor-to-ceiling French doors, which open up and become a Juliet balcony overlooking your private townhouse garden. Completing the parlor floor is this amazing dining room with seating for at least 8 to 10 of your best friends or family. It has an amazing south-facing bay window and is adorned by this custom wallpaper. Next to the dining room is this prep kitchen, which has a dumbwaiter connecting down to the actual kitchen, where we're headed next. This beautiful and huge kitchen is appointed with custom cabinetry, every single type of chef's appliance you could imagine, and waterworks fixtures. It has multiple sinks, Carrara marble on the countertops, and this very fun checkered tile floor. It's also open to the remainder of the garden floor, spilling out seamlessly into this very large, open family and dining area. You have plenty of room to stretch out. There's a gas fireplace, access to your own private townhouse garden, and these tiled floors, they're not only sexy, but they're heated. And what's the point of having a private garden on a gorgeous day like today if you're not going to go outside and enjoy it? Let's go. There is nothing better than private outdoor space in the West Village, a small respite from the hustle and bustle of the crazy city. Out here, you can barbecue, you can chill out, or you can just relax and listen to your water feature. There's access to the garden from, of course, the garden level, but also from the parlor floor living room level, allowing for a seamless flow throughout the entire house. Welcome to the full floor primary suite. It includes a spa-like bath, a movie star quality dressing room, and this pin-drop quiet bedroom bathed in natural light. Stepping into this dressing room is like stepping into Versailles. And the craziest thing about this is there is a walk-in closet within the walk-in closet. And this beautiful bay window overlooks the nicest street downtown. On the top floor of the townhouse are 4 rooms, an office, a Pilates room, a guest room, and this awesome kids room. Also bathed in light and pin-drop quiet, what better place to raise a super cool West Village kid? And in this sun-drenched office, you can get all your work done while getting a tan. I have one more thing to show you. Follow me. This rooftop deck is limited only by your imagination. A place where you could entertain up to 150 guests or just enjoy the sun. This townhouse is truly the best of both worlds. Not only do you have a private entry in the heart of the West Village, but you're also a member of the Superior Inc. condominium, affording an owner all access to the services and amenities of the building. Thank you so much for taking a look today, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.